Assalamu alaikum, dear students, welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video basic multiplication question. Multiplication is a easy question, but some students not understand easily. Let's start this video. 5 multiplied by 4. If we multiply by 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to, think about this, what is the answer? Let's start and trying very easy concept. 5 multiplied by 4. If we solve this question, before solving this question, we write table of 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, and last 5 4 the 20. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. This is the correct answer.